Hello everybody, my name is Maria Mejia, and I was diagnosed 20 years ago with a virus. I was 10 years without no medication, and my T cells went down, so ADAP saved my life. I'm here basically because I am very angry. I don't understand how American citizens are going through this and in a waiting list. And in other third world countries, they have medication for free. I said this in the last meeting, and it's something that I can't even process it, because we're supposed to be a country that helps their people, and we're so quick to help other countries immediately when there's something happening. And I cannot believe the government is doing this to people with HIV and AIDS. To me, like I said it last time, you're going to have blood in your hands. And this is a thought to you, because I am a person that likes to touch the human side. Until it happens to you or to a child of yours or to your husband or to your wife, then you're going to care.